Hey everyone, so I wanted to go over some protein powders, and I kind of use them not for protein, not for weight gain or working out, but these are basically for collagen. This is a protein powder, and then this one's a veggie protein powder, but it's mostly like a multivitamin, you could say. The ingredients in this are amazing. We'll get to this one last. So these are the best two collagens I've found. This one is by Wholesome Wellness, and it has grass-fed, pasture-raised for the beef or bovine part. It also has fish collagen peptides, chicken bone broth collagen, eggshell membrane collagen. It's got 5 different types of collagen, and it's one of the best ones I've found there. Now they do say that actual bone broth is the best type of way to get collagen. So this one I found is pretty darn awesome. But I don't really like the flavor of this one. It really just tastes like a broth. So you can make this up hot and kind of drink it like a soup, and it's great. But I mostly just use this for cooking. I add it in when I need some broth to add in the bone broth and the extra collagen. This one tastes like nothing. I add this one just to milk in the morning, and I add some cocoa powder and some sweetener, and I add that along with this one. This is the Naked Protein Powder, and this one again is grass-fed whey. And you want to have grass-fed, it just makes everything better. It has better nutrition in there. And this one is pretty simple ingredients. Let me find them on here. It's just whey protein concentrate, egg white protein, molecular casein, and sunflower lectin. Just 4 ingredients. This stuff as well has basically no flavor. And I mix it with milk, like I said, with a little bit of chocolate. And it kind of thickens it up nicely. It doesn't get like too thick and hard to drink, but it makes it kind of like a shake consistency in a little bit of a way, and it really is tasty actually. Now this one is probably the best one I have. This one you can't really drink with milk. I like to mix this with any type of fruit juice, something that has a little sweetness to it. It mixes in good with that, and the flavor is great. But I'm going to put up the ingredient list here, and it's got a huge long list of ingredients. I'll throw it up on the screen, a picture of this. This one's really amazing because it's organic, and it's non-GMO as well. But this has all types of things in it. From my eyes kind of blurry from this light, so it's hard to read right now, but it has sprouted brown rice protein, sprouted sesame seeds, sprouted pumpkin seeds. It's got a lot of sprouted things, and if you know about sprouted things, they're more nutritious as well. It's got a blend of basically everything. We got grapefruit, Brussels sprouts, kale, raspberry, cauliflower. It basically is like a multivitamin. It has tons and tons of organic, just basically fruits and vegetables. And it also has 20 grams of protein per serving, which is cool. But it's really hard to beat. I don't take any multivitamins or anything like that. I just try to eat healthy, and this is basically like a multivitamin all in one that you can just easily drink, and it's a natural, all natural ingredients. So these are what I use. Just wanted to show them because I researched, like I said, a lot, and I really like these. I'll put a link down below so you can check them out. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.